The police were flabbergasted by this magnet fishing find.
You guys the ones that found the pipe?
Woo! It's an H&K.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. You guys doing the magnet fishing?
Yes.
You guys the ones that found the pipe?
Yeah, that was me.
We'll grab a bag.
Your phone number. You guys happen to know off the top of your head what the return policy is?
I would assume, and again, I can double check and get back with you, but I would assume if you don't inquire on wanting it back, that they're just going to destroy it.
Can I get a case number then?
Yeah, we'll get that for you. Is this something you did want back if you can?
I would like it back, yeah.
And I'll notate
yeah, I mean,
that.
I always ask because if it's not tied to anything, then you know it'll look good on my wall.
Yeah. And this one, we'll see if we can get serial number or
if you
anything.
run a song.
I'll see what they can do. We'll let you know. All right?
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
You guys have a wonderful day.
You want your...